Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my searching for vlog. Well, it appears my axle is too short. When I measured it the way they told me to measure it. And now it's not right. If you need room, I gotta see how far on here this axle goes. Because if it goes around this, it might be all right. The only thing is, I've got a weld. That's what these things here are. I can't believe this. Man. Crazy. You know? Freaking crazy. The company said that. I gave them the dimensions on the freaking axle. But the hub is wrong. Now I give them the dimension on my freaking this, and it's wrong. Okay, this is what goes on here. Keep this from sliding around. And this sits on that. And then you weld this to this. Sitting like that. Sitting out here too far. One good time. We'll go over that. I'll put that on. Make it work. Okay. Going that way. The weld on that side and the weld on that side. I think it's going to work. I can adjust. Yep, right thing. Well, the problem now is getting U-bolt on here. There should have been another freaking inch on both sides. Now I gotta buy new U-bolts. Man, has this been a freaking pain? Okay, now we gotta check. Now I gotta see if the freaking bearing in the hub's gonna make. Slowly getting this together. This is the wrong end. Wrong end. Oh, come on! Now I got the wrong phone. Wrong bearings now. She said she was going to send me a 1-inch axle. Oh, you're killing me. Man, I'm furious. Now I gotta send all this freaking stuff back. Oh man. No, now we have a 1/16 wheel bearing. Why? Why is this being so hard? Now I gotta get on the horse. Now you sent me an axle. That doesn't fit my hubs. The whole point. I can't tell on the hub now whether the hub's gonna fit. Oh man. Now I gotta send all this back at my cost. I think this is tapered. All I had to do was buy the freaking galvanized axle with the stupid wheel hubs. That's all I had to do. I would have been done 2 weeks ago. All I had to do. But no, I have to go another path. Alright, we're back after going to Tractor Supply. I got plate. I got four U-bolts here. Hopefully, we're going to solve our problem here. Holy cow, you freaking huge. Alright. An inch and a half, was it? Wow. Still got. Not really gonna have that much play, but still. Wow. No, I think he's face down. What? You better go on there. All right. Okay, so here we go. I think this solved. Man. Long ways. There we go. I don't know. I think they lay like that. Okay. The bolts. The washers and then the bolts. Okay, so I'm going to sit tight on that. Let's go to the other side. Okay, I'll go to the other side. See how we make out there. I'm good. I'm just waiting on the wheel bearings from Southwest Wheel. They say the hub is universal, and they're sending me bigger wheel, the inch and 1/16 wheel bearings for this. So what I'm doing right now, before I weld that axle onto its landing pad, I'm gonna wait until I get the hub seals, because it's gonna sit about like that. So this is nice and clean, so the seal will go around here as far as I know. So I can't believe it's gonna be any longer than right about here. So, but I want to make sure once I get the bearings tomorrow, probably by Friday, when I can get it on there, and I'll go ahead and get everything snugged up. I'll go ahead and clean up the axle here so I can weld the axle to the saddle brackets, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Once I get it welded, then I know that's not going to move. I got 3,500 pound U-bolts, and they're not, once they're shackled down, they're not ever going anywhere. So I got more than, I've basically beefed everything up on this thing, because I've gone from what was it, inch and something. Oh, yeah, I've gone from of course I've gone from a 1 inch spindle to an inch and 1/16. I've gone from a 1.5 inch axle to a 1 7/8 axle. 1 inch spindles to an inch and 1/16 axle. So that is more than this trail is ever going to haul. I'm only hauling a freaking 80 pound inflatable boat on it. You know, this is, now I've got this thing set up for, I think the axle was set up for 2,500 pounds. If I want to put 2,500 pounds on here. And then again, and then each U-bolt set up for freaking 3,500. So, go with your first instinct. I should have had this done 2 weeks ago. Changing out hubs, wheel bearings, freaking axles. Man. So, anyway, now I have bolts for something else. If I need them, holy crap. Oh, man. If I want. So, there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Next video you'll see is me getting the new wheel bearings, getting the hubs on here, getting the freaking tires on here, get it out of here. Get the boat on there so I can go do some searching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you've got something or someone to be searched for, please leave me a message and you'll catch me on the next Searching For.